The Cura Home Amira is a brand new chandelier that is designed to provide a chic, boho feel to your home. The Cura Home Amira is perfect to install above a dining room table, in a living room, or in entryways or foyers. This beautiful light comes in a smoked birch wood style finish with complementing black accents. The design of the Amira is stunning, featuring elegant black arms that hold candle-style sockets with cascading wood beaded accent pieces. The light refraction from this beautiful piece produces a unique pattern and glow when lit. Included in your package is 8 feet of chain, so you can set the Amira to your desired hanging height. The open bulb design of the Amira allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with incandescent bulbs or LED bulbs to make the Amira even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Amira is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Amira chandelier is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Cura Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.